Hello, my name is Rena Simpson, and for my project, I'm researching Daniel Radcliffe. You may know him as the actor who played Harry Potter. Daniel Radcliffe has obsessive compulsive disorder, otherwise known as OCD. And some symptoms of OCD might be not being able to touch things because it might be too dirty for them, or they might have to arrange things a certain way, or they might have mental rituals that they have to do. Daniel Radcliffe developed OCD and was diagnosed at the age of 5. He was treated with therapy, and some challenges he faced, for example, simple things like turning off the light would take 5 minutes, and he would have to repeat every sentence that he said under his breath. And some ways you can treat OCD are deep transcranial magnetic stimulation, which is where they use magnetic fields to reach the part of your brain that has the condition, and then it'll ease the behaviors. And then cognitive behavioral therapy, which is a form of talk therapy. That's another way to treat it. And you can also take medication to ease behaviors, but that may have side effects. And finally, another way to treat this is psychodynamic therapy, which explores relationships and events found among other features of life to adverse the behaviors or the symptoms of OCD. Thank you.